channel. So I have been getting highly requests to do a candy makeup tutorial, so we're gonna do Skittles. So I'll just be back when I do my base, and then we'll be back to do the eyeshadow and the rest of the face too. So I'll be back. So I did that eye off camera, so we're first gonna go into the blue blood, and we're gonna go into blue blood. And we'll start that off in the crease. And then we're gonna cut our crease out. Sorry about that, but yeah, we're going to take the Brazil palette and we're going to go into that purple and go on the outer crease and blend. I actually meant the outer V area. And then we're going to take blood sugar and we're going to go into cavity, and we'll be mixing cavity into the purple and blending it a little bit outwards. So now we're going to go into this BH Cosmetics palette. I was mixing shades to get an orange from it, and then I went back into the Take Me Back to Brazil and got a shimmery orange on top of that. And then I got this shimmery shade and I just applied it with my finger because I wanted it to pop. And so yeah, that's what I did. And I forgot to put this in fast motion, so yeah. And then we go back to blood sugar and we're gonna take cavity and just put it under our eye. So I will be back with lashes and liner done, so I'll be back. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go into bronzer and blush. Blood sugar, and we're gonna be taking cavity as our blush. Take our face paint. We're going to do like a rainbow down the cheeks because my niece said that I should do that, so that's what I'm gonna do. First color we're gonna start with is red. And the next color I'm using is blue. The next color I chose was purple. The next color I chose was green, and I don't know if it happens to everybody else, but when I put that green on from the face paint palette that I have, it kind of stained me. When I took this off, I had still had a green stripe down my cheek and wherever I put the green at. The next color I put on was yellow. And then the next color I chose to go next was orange. I look sick with like all this blush on me. And what I meant by sick was like you know, like coughing, like cough, like, you know. And so I took this teal color next. I'm gonna also do it down here in the bottom, so I'll be back. Well, I'm done adding that, so I'm taking a little bit of the white face paint and just putting some clouds. And then right here I'm just drawing little details like little stars and stuff like that around my face. And then after drawing the details, I went back into the face paints and started drawing or painting random circles around my face of, you know, the colors of Skittles. And so yeah. Now we're gonna go into white and draw the little S. Now we're just gonna go into the LA Girl Moonlight Magic highlighting palette. Take the Wet n Wild tint of Corruption. Be taking the Kylie matte liquid lipstick in Leo. So what I did was take some on my finger and just like blend it in the middle of my lip because I wanted more color there. And that's the end of the makeup look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any ideas that I can do, you can post them down below in the comments. And don't forget I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Get me some Skittles, but I didn't want to pay for them. And then one of the store attendants came up to me and was like, "Put that back." And then he grabbed my arm and I said, "Don't touch me."
Skittles, nice to eat ya. Are you ready for some Fazbear pizza?
Who's this, working at the night shift?
I don't know, but I don't think I like him.
He's so cute, I can feel his heart racing.
About time we had a brand new plaything.
Another yellow belly balking like a chicken.
Listen, gang.